59 innings, 834 runs, 250s to his name, and highest is 61. He is a genuine all-rounder for Tripura.
बहुत बढ़िया शॉट है. टाइमिंग तो अच्छी थी, लेकिन प्लेसमेंट लाजवाब.
That struck very well by Murasing. One bounce into the fence. Going over the infield. The fielder's coming underneath him. Oh, he can't get to it. A boundary for Murasing.
Look at that. Look at that. A longer smash over square leg by Murasing. Oh, look at that. It is in the air, in the gap. And four. Look at that. Look at that. A huge hit. A massive hit out of the park.
इस मैदान में जितने भी बड़े हिट हमने लगते हुए देखे अब तक के, मुझे लगता है उसमें से सबसे बड़ा हिट अगर कोई है वो ये है. जिस तरह की बल्लेबाजी करके दिखाई है यहां मूरा सिंह ने, एक कप्तानी पारी खेलते हुए यहां अपनी टीम के लिए.
Brilliant knock by Murasing.